The hardest thing to see is the thing you already believe. You don't defend facts. You defend the story that keeps you comfortable. This is a simple map of that, so you notice when you're staring at a wall. Chapter 2. Why you fight to keep your blind spots. Old story. Simple picture. People are stuck in a cave, facing a wall. Behind them, a fire. Between fire and wall, things moving. On the wall, shadows. Those shadows are their whole world. Not because they're stupid, because that's all they've been shown. One person gets free, walks out, sees the real sun. Eyes hurt. Truth hurts. They go back to help. Lock 1. Comfort over clarity. Your brain would rather feel settled than feel correct. Settled saves energy. Correct costs work. So a soft wrong answer beats a hard right one if the soft one lets you sleep. Today that lock runs in your feed. The take that calms you wins. The take that complicates you gets scrolled past. If a story makes you feel warm too fast, check if you're buying comfort. Lock 2. Familiar lies feel safer than strange truths. What you've heard 100 times feels true. New evidence feels like a threat, even when it's better. That's not stubbornness for sport. That's your mind clinging to a map it already printed. Group chats, news loops, the same 3 headlines recycled. Familiarity dresses up as certainty. Do I believe this because it's solid? Or because I've seen it so often, it feels like home? Lock 3. Status inside the cave. In every group, someone looks smart for naming the shadows. They get likes, they get trust, they become the guide of the wall. If you turn around, you lose that status. You go from one of us to the weird one. So people don't only defend ideas, they defend their rank in the room that believes those ideas. Be honest, are you protecting a claim or protecting how you look for claiming it? Lock 4. Updating hurts. Changing your mind means admitting you were wrong. That hits ego. It can hit belonging. Sometimes it costs friends. Your body treats that like danger. So you argue harder. You double down. You call the light and attack. That's why people fight to keep blind spots. Not because light is weak, because turning around is expensive. If a fact makes you angry before it makes you curious, you're paying the pain tax already. When these 4 locks run the show, defending the shadow becomes defending your world. You stop asking, is this true? You ask, does this keep my cave intact? Feeds pay for that. Groups reward that. Politics sells that. Pretty shadows beat hard light all day. It feels loyal. It feels safe. Until the wall is all you have left. Three small moves to turn around a little. 1. Name the comfort. What feeling is this take protecting? 2. Seek one strong fact that could prove you wrong. 3. Sit with the sting for 10 minutes before you clap back. Small turns, every day. That's how eyes adjust to light. Slowly, on purpose. Blind spots don't vanish because you're smart. They vanish because you train the turn. Ask, what shadow am I defending today?